Hello, Healthy Living members. My name is Rachel. I am the program coordinator here at Healthy Living OKC. And today I'm going to show you how to sign up and cancel pickleball reservations on Signupgenius through our Facebook page. So I'll just switch screens and we'll get started. All right, so notice here that we are on our Facebook page. You'll see it says Healthy Living OKC on the top, and it should look like this. So if you'll just scroll down, you will see a post that says the pickleball reservations are out for this week. So we post a new link every single week, but this is the one for June 15th through the 20th. So just click the link that we provided here. It'll bring it up. And you'll see that it brings up pickleball reservations for Signupgenius. All right, I do want to say before we start that depending on your laptop, the screen might look a little different. The setup of the website might be a little different. It just kind of depends on if you have a Dell or a MacBook or whatever your device that you're using. So to sign up, just look for a date and a time. So for today, we'll say I want to sign up tomorrow, Tuesday the 16th, from 7 to 8:30. So to do so, I just click the little box that says sign up, and you'll see that little gray box on there goes away when you click it, and then hit submit and sign up. So I'll bring this up. It says the available spot. This is for all skill levels. The date, Tuesday, 6/16, and the time, 7 to 8:30. So you just put in first name, your last name, and your email. Use my work. All right, and then you just hit sign up now. So I'm all signed up. I have a reservation. And back to sign up, and I can show you. That tomorrow for 7 to 8:30. My name is right there, Rachel Hinchy, for sign up. So now I'm going to show you how to cancel that sign up. So if you'll just go to your email that you put in for your sign up. All right, so I have my email up. This is the email that was sent to me. So it's from Deanne for Signupgenius, and this is my reservation. I picked all skill levels, 6/16 from 7 to 8:30. But then I realized I have something going on and I can't go. So to cancel, you just hit edit my sign up right under view sign up, the big red with the yellow lettering. It's a big red button. It will say in white, edit my sign up. And you just click that. So when you click edit my sign up, it will bring you to this screen. It is just like the screen for when you signed up for your pickleball. It says your name and your email, and under it, it says delete. So hit delete. And it says, are you sure that you want to delete your sign up for a pickleball reservation with the date 6/16, Tuesday, the time 7 to 8:30 for all skill levels. I warn you that this sign up will permanently remove it and there's no undo. So to cancel your reservation, you hit the button that says yes, delete. And your sign up was deleted. It says that in red text at the top in this white box that goes across the screen. And then when you scroll down, 6/16, 7 to 8:30 for all skill levels, you notice that my sign up is gone. So that is how you cancel your reservation on Signupgenius for pickleball. So once you have canceled your reservation, that opens you up to now reserve a new spot as long as you have not exceeded the amount of reservations that you can make during 1 week. All right, that is it. If you have any questions, you're welcome to contact the front desk. They can help you sign up for classes. If you have any issues, you're also welcome to contact Stephanie or I. I will leave our contact information in the descriptions. You can email us if you have any questions. And I hope this was really helpful. Bye.